Let's get started with today's Techspex expert tip. I'm Nick Bloom, president of Techspex, and I'll be your guide. In previous videos, I've shown you how to construct queries to find machines searching among all grinding or turning builders. Today, I'd like to show you a few less obvious ways to use the model search feature. Let's use the Machining Center model search form for an example. If you'd like to find new models introduced to the market in the last year, check the box that says Display Only New Market Releases within the last 12 months and search. And we find 30 manufacturers have introduced 142 models. This same type of search can be used to find, for instance, all new horizontal machining centers with at least 30 horsepower. "37 new models from 14 manufacturers are found." To stay on top of new models, using this search feature can help you easily do this. And what about comparing models between two or more manufacturers? The default setting includes all manufacturers, but if I click any one of the manufacturers named in the list, which includes over 240 builders, the check next to all builders disappears. So if, for instance, we want to compare Doosan and DMG Morisaki vertical machining centers with at least 40 horsepower and a minimum of 80 inches of x-axis travel, we can easily do that. In this case, we find 22 models. Don't forget, the list can be resorted by horsepower or table length or width. Once the models are resorted by the most important feature, the models you want to compare can more easily be identified. So by sorting the group by smallest table, the smallest models come to the top, and I can quickly find the models with these values and compare them in a spreadsheet. If we want to refine this search further, click the New Search button to return the search form with the previous search values retained. Maybe I'd like to remove one builder and add two more. Easy enough. And don't forget, if we click a model name, we see the full spec page. If we click the builder's name, we see their showroom. Checking one or more models, then clicking the Get Price button lets us generate an RFQ. Clicking the Save Search button generates a URL that can be saved or emailed to an associate. When entered in the address field, the search results and search criteria are retained. And that's our Techspex expert tip of the day. Until next time, thanks for watching.